Gold yesterday continued a bullish momentum by creating another bullish candle, but it was indecision candle right here at this resistance level, a supply zone, where we can see the price movement, a longer wick on the upper side, smaller wick on the lower side, and it has formed the candle body, which is a bullish candle where the price did not return back below. So this is some kind of currently a resistance. Price is trying to make a bullish breakout above this supply zone. This area, which is where the currently price is forming currently a bullish breakout above this resistance level, above this supply zone, which is a very important information for the price. Now, currently, what is here visible? This formation of the candle, large candle body, a bullish body, and then indecision candle represents a possible continuation of this movement further on up. Which means if the price today do not close the price back below this area, this is currently acting as a support, this will be information for the price that it will continue to rise in value. Yesterday I have mentioned that there are some levels on 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame which are very important, and currently on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame we can see the price has stuck in between a small support and a resistance level, which needs to be broken in order to verify where the price will continue to move. Will it go up or it will go down? Confirmation, which is visible here with this indecision candle, is suggesting further rise in value, but we will see what happens today, because it is very important to see the price going outside of the area where the currently price is, inside the small range area. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.